National Secretary of RPI Athawale Maheshwar Thaunawjam has apprised Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla that political dialogue with Kuki-Zo militants who are engaged in acts of terrorism cannot bring solution for Manipur crisis. Speaking to media following a meeting with Manipur Governor, Maheshwar Thaunawjam told reporters that he has informed Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla on the necessity to carry out military crackdown against Kuki-Zo militants and also to abolish hereditary chieftainship by implementing Manipur Hill Area's Acquisition Chiefs Rights Act 1967 in the state. Maheshwar also informed the governor on the need to remove illegal immigrants from scheduled tribe lists and also urged to withdraw suspension of operations with Kuki militants groups. Speaking further, Maheshwar also told reporters that governor was also apprised about importance of suspending free movement regime and to carry out NRC exercise with 1951 as base year. Maheshwar Thaunawjam also reportedly informed the governor that the centre's action on the above-mentioned matters holds key in resolving Manipur crisis. According to Maheshwar, Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla also reportedly gave assurance to deliberate on these matters.
Peace lapo matamda political dialogue tawgadabani santi gi wari sanagadabani haibase oi chumbadi chummi wari sanabade micham praja ga pullaga prajama ga sanabadi kaim kai balaite adu kana kana koina santi gi wari sanadoise terrorist ka sanadori bra adyamna missile bomb thadara kanda drone bomb use tawra kanda misi mina yauraga chauba aikoi gi terrorism activities mayam am yaura kan sida koi political dialogue se kana ga tawna doino peace talk se kana ga tawna doino haibedu ne ai am phajana amara response bi ai am phajana study tawjage akoina hariba points da koi study yam kupna tawjage haibagi achowa thajabam di thambirei akoina thajaba thambabudi yam kuire mayam na haire ibase koida mayam ministry mayam unadana minister honor union minister mayam unadana isu tawjare adubu thabak oina paithorok iu udabasida somna di akoigi hujik thabak oina home secretary mo orambadagi governor oina honor governor oina lakpirabadina somna achumba tawrakani haibagi thajaba lei ado sigi thajaba sigi di mangan biganu haibadu haizarami